Hi guys and girls, pots and pans, toasters, fridges and everybody. Good afternoon. I'm now in Italy and it is piping hot. I feel like I've just walked into the devil's arse. But as you can see, what a wonderful view we have. Welcome to Italy. Once again, I will stop off in random places that I find breathtaking and beautiful, just to share with you guys a view. And don't mind the roads and motorways. It's all about nature around everywhere else. Little towns. Trust me, looking through the drawings, like little toy models everywhere.